Yes, students. Now, today we are going to discuss about contact between curve and surface. For this purpose, let us consider gamma be a curve, R is equal to f u g u h u, and let S be the surface, f of x y z is equal to 0, and both are having continuous derivative of sufficiently high order. It means from the above equation of the curve, we may take x, y, and z as this the function of u. If this point lies on the surfaces, then we may write this equation, which is an equation in u giving the point of intersection of the curve and surface. Depending upon the nature of the root of the equation, we shall define this between the curve and surface. Now, let u not be one such 0 of fu is equal to 0, then you know that the power series representation of fu in the neighborhood of u is equal to u naught may be written as this equation. And now, with this equation, what the definition be will evolve. So, let us go with the definition 1. If f dash u naught, if f dash u naught this is non-zero, then u naught is simple 0 of fu is 0, and it means the curve gamma and the surface S is said to have simple intersection at R at u naught. So you have to remember this. And the definition 2, if this is 0, let us suppose if this is 0, and but this term f double dash u naught is not 0, then u naught is double 0 of fu is equal to 0, and it means the curve gamma and the surface S are said to have 2 points. But what is the third definition? If f dash u naught is equal to f double dash u naught is equal to f the higher order n minus 1 u naught is equal to 0, and this is non-zero. One higher order is non-zero. Then the curve gamma and the surface F are said to have the contact at u is equal to u. Okay, so this is the inference of the theorem, this result. And now this theorem, the condition of the surface having n point of n point contact with the curve gamma are invariant over a change of parameter. How we can prove this is very important proof. Let u is equal to phi t with a given parametric transformation. Since it is regular, so we can the derivative phi k u is not 0 for every k is greater than or equal to 1. So corresponding to the point u is equal to u naught, we have u naught is equal to phi t naught at t is equal to t naught. And now for fu is equal to f of phi naught, ft where f is function of t only, we can express f dot t and f double dash dot t in the following expression 1 and 2. If f dash u is 0, then you can say that f dot t is equal to 0, but this is non-zero. And if f dash u is 0 and f double dash u is non-zero, then from 1 and 2 we get f dash t is equal to 0, and but this is non-zero. Since phi dash t and phi double dash t is non-zero, therefore we can say that if the surface S given by fu has 2-point contact with the curve gamma and r at u naught, then the surface S given by ft has 2-point contact with gamma and r phi T naught. Then again on differentiation, you will get the expression 3, and now continuing this and proceeding like this, you will get if f dash u is equal to f double dash u and so on, provided the surfaces given by fu has n point of contact. Okay, in this way, this theorem, the next important theorem is in the osculating plane at any point P has 3-point contact with the curve. So let P be any point on the curve and let arc length be measured from P so that S is equal to 0 in this equation R equal to Rs, and we know that this osculating plane P is equal to this. So now expression 1, and further we shall show that f dash s is equal to f double dash s equal to 0, and the higher order of s is non-zero at p where s is equal to 0, and this proves that the osculating plane has 3-point contact. Okay, and now moving further by using the Taylor's theorem, and you will follow this expression 3, and now on continuing this, you may write hence f dash 0 is equal to 0, f double dash 0 is 0, triple dash 0 is equal to minus k square tau is not 0, provided k and tau do not vanish at p. We know this result. This proves that in general the curve and the oscillating plane have 3-point contact at p. In case if k is equal to 0 and tau is 0, then we can say that f triple dash 0 is 0. So that plane must have at least 4-point contact with the curve.